Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upload a YouTube Premiere video to your YouTube account. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is open up the YouTube webpage, and of course you're going to need to sign into your account. From here we're going to be clicking on the upload icon right here, and we're going to be clicking on the upload video option. From here you should be greeted with the YouTube upload page. And then from here what we're going to be doing is grabbing whatever video file you want to upload to YouTube, and we're going to be dragging it onto this section right here. Now once this is opened up, we should be met with the whole editing section for our YouTube video right here. And what we're going to be doing is clicking and checking the Premiere tab, which is going to set up our video to be as a premiere on our YouTube channel. From here then of course we can select if we want to make our video public, unlisted, private or scheduled. In this case what I'd recommend doing is setting your video to scheduled, as this will push it in your subscribers feeds so they know when to expect your video to be live, so people can gather in your chat and then they can set up and be ready to watch your YouTube premiere. From here you can set up your video as normal. You can set up your description, your tags, your title, add a thumbnail and all the usual YouTube video stuff. So I'd recommend setting up all of these things so you can have everything set up so your premiere is ready to go live. Then from here, if we go to our channel to see how our video looks, we can see the thumbnail is uploaded as normal, but we can see there's some text at the bottom saying premiere. If we click into our video, we'll see it'll be recognized as a live video. What we can do then is split screen our video and put our chat on the right. And when your video is live, everyone can watch it together, and then you'll have a full live chat for your video. Anyway guys, it's that easy to set up a YouTube premiere. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.